Welcome back to another video of the Chocolate Stocks, where we discuss trading strategy, due diligence, and technical analysis on individual stocks as well as the market in general. So if you're looking for a hot stock, I can help you find a sweet spot. And if this is your first time at the channel, please do me a favor, hit that like and subscribe button. I am on a mission for 1,000 subscribers, and each of you that take that action will help me with the YouTube algorithms and help me achieve that goal. Last but not least, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. Please take what I say with a grain of salt. Let's get into the video. And guys, I just want to first apologize to you on my delay of getting up content this week. It's been a very, very busy week for me. It's been a lot going on. So I apologize to you guys. But today is actually the perfect day for me to jump back on and hit you with this knowledge that I've been studying along the way as this week has been playing out. We can get the checkup on our weekly plays that we discussed on Sunday and Monday, and then see what the outlook is for the weeks ahead. So get into everything, guys. I know everybody's portfolio has been pretty much getting hit today. The second half of the trading day has just been a slow, gradual, just bleed off. And a lot of people are wondering, like, what the heck is happening to my portfolio? Like, this whole month of March has just been a bleed after another with the correction. We may not be out of it. I don't know exactly where this is going. We just have to ride the roller coaster, all right? But what I do know is that it is some things that are affecting your stocks that I kind of want to share with you just in case you're unaware of what there are. So if you have a lot of tech stocks like me, I have a lot of tech stocks. So, tech is getting hit hard. And everybody's wondering what the blank is happening to my portfolio this month. So this month has been about bond yields. And bond yields is what is affecting a lot of tech stocks. How it affects is that bond yields affect the stock market by competing with stocks for investors' dollars. And bond yields are much safer than stocks, but they offer a lower return. So as a result, when stocks go up in value, bonds go down. So when the economy slows, consumers buy less, corporate profits fall, and stock prices decline, okay? So this is a competitor. We are in the sport of making money when we are in the stock market. Okay, this is a sport. So just like any other sport, you're going to have competition. And sometimes the other competition wins. So the thing is, what we're going to do is we're going to win more, okay? So why are bond yields bad for stocks? Because some investors worry that an increase in bond yields and longer-term interest rates will end the market's run-up of steady gains. These gains could be threatened because higher yields make it more expensive to borrow money, and that tends to slow down economic growth, which could be bad for stocks. All right. So again, this is give and take. This is the yin and the yang. All right. So it happens. They're going to win sometimes. We're going to be back. So let's get back into the rest of the video. I just want you to know what is going on with your portfolio. Sit tight. Enjoy the ride. Let's get into the picks we have for the week. So first I gave you was ticker symbol DARE, Dare Bioscience. And what I have on the screen right now, when we talked about this play last on Monday, it was trading at 223. Today, now this screenshot says 207, but it closed at $1.99. What was the sweet spot that we wanted to get into? This play was under $2. So with this competition, this bond yield competition that we were having with our portfolios, we got our gift. So if you want to get into this play, absolutely, that limit order came, and in full transparency, I did get into this play. It hit my limit order. I got another one for $1.98 if it actually comes. So I'm looking to try to add on. Now I am in this play under the $2 average. So everything from here will be a win. And when I tell you that this thing fought it out at $2, it is strong support at this $2 mark right there. They would not let this thing fall into the very last candle. So this is going to be a strong play moving forward. This is the absolute bottom. We are in at the sweet spot. Now, what is the exit plan? It has a $9 price target. I mean, we can hold for that, but also consider taking profits after 50 to 100% gain, rinse, repeat. That's how we win out here, right? Okay, next on the list, ticker symbol SOL, Rensola. Rensola. All right. So when I originally gave you this play on Monday, it was trading at 1568. Today it is down to 1274. What was the sweet spot? It blew past what I thought it would even come to. I didn't anticipate, another bond yield raise that would affect our stocks. But hey, we look at it as a gift. Ticker symbol SOL. Let's see. Let's look at the chart. Again, it hit a high of $13.74 before that just massive bleed off for the whole market. Hit a low of $12.50. So just it was already in the sweet spot. Full transparency, I am in this play too. So if you now I did get it at the $14 mark. I'm in at $14.23. But I'm going to look to add more because it blew past my expectations of where to get it at that support level. It broke that support. It's now at the new support around $12.50. So I'm going to look to add on into here. The reason why I'm still bullish on this play, because this has a long-term hold in my book. So I'm going to continue to add on into this play until I get 100 shares. Take profits around $25. Rinse and repeat as the stock rises and falls. You know how to do this. This is how we win in the stock market, family. So I'm learning that. And I'm going to show you in my portfolio that I learned that lesson back in January when I hit, matter of fact, let me just do it now. So this is why I want to do the rinse and repeat, because if I go to the 1 year mark and look at my run up from back here to here in January, this is where I should have took profits and then let the stock market fall, buy back in, rinse, repeat. Okay, so that's what we're doing with these plays. I am now looking at that outlook that way, and so I'm going to continue to share that on this channel. All right, the honorable mentions. APTX, it was 330. It's now 311. SNDL was 164. It's now 147. Palantir was at 26. It's now at 23. I mean, everything is on sale. Only in the stock market, I should say. Only in the stock market where people get mad at a sale. Think about that, family. All right. So with all the bleeding today, who is winning today? The bank sector. If you notice, Wells Fargo was up, JP Morgan Chase was up, and the whole dang on banking sector was green except for one. I mean, so I just want to point this out because even with all this bleeding, it's always a bull market somewhere. So that is one of the reasons to diversify your plays and your portfolio. Get you something in everything because you want to constantly make money. You don't want to be, one side tech heavy, one side, speculative play heavy, or whatever the case may be, And the thing is, you see in my portfolio, I'm down in a lot of plays. This portfolio that I'm showing is very tech heavy, but I do have a long portfolio that is not so much, it's more diversified. And so what I'm trying to show you is that if you're not thinking this way, you should start thinking this way. All right, next, bag holder update, CCIV, Tilray, Rocket. So let's go to CCIV, and I think we're already going to know the story. Down for the day, bleeding off from $29, closed at 26. Again, rinse and repeat. If you can get in at a lower cost average, you got another gift. Here's another opportunity to get you, lower your cost average. If you bought up here, you can. For that run up, when it comes back, you will be at a better position to start experiencing some gains when it does. It will come back. Tilray, Tilray, Tilray. All right, same thing. Um, Obviously, it broke out of the trend. I was trying to see if it was going to, continue towards this price target I had for Friday, but obviously we're bleeding off. So stay tuned for Tilray. And then the last one was Rocket, RKT. And more the same. All of the pump and dumps, still the same. You in for a ride, sit tight, put it in the back. Don't think about it. It'll come back at some point. Next, YOLO stocks update. And again, YOLO stocks, YOLO stocks. It's always green. They are always green. AMC. All right, AMC, again, following this trend. If it continues to follow this trend, yeah, we might be in for. Let me zoom out a little further, because actually, guys, I want to kind of include the other run up to show you in comparison to where we're at. We're just doing this as a bull run. It's with stair steps. Again, what I tell you guys in other videos: the bulls take the stairs, the bears jumped out the window. So this was never sustainable. This was just a mess, And so this run up is going to be different. We're still going to the moon. It's just going to be a ladder, okay? We just sit back, relax, buy the dips. When the squeeze is happening, you're going to know it's happening. But right now, get on a rocket ship, enjoy, strap up, and get you something to drink and watch the show. Same thing with GameStop, GME. All right. But GME is doing a little different than AMC. It's showing a little bit of weakness, but that's okay, because what I do like about GME is that it is respecting that 200 level support. It is not breaking support at 200, and that's fine, because I think that the same with AMC, we're going to have to ride this short squeeze as steps, like bull steps. Arise, consolidate, arise, consolidate, arise, consolidate. Okay, with GME, okay, I just think it's at a bigger level. Again, the charts look similar, but now it's going to rise. Here's the consolidate. It's just going to be a bigger rise, and then another consolidate and a bigger rise. So just relax, RELAX. Relax, relax, relax. We're going to the moon. And if you like what you see in this video, if I made you feel better about being a bag holder, if I gave you a new perspective about anything about your portfolio, do me a favor. I really need it. Hit that like and subscribe button. Bring other people to the party. I need your help, guys, to keep doing videos like this and keep giving you information as I learn it. Thank you for watching this whole video, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.